Write a balanced nuclear equation for manganese 49, which decays by emitting a positron. Okay, so we start with the symbol for manganese. The atomic number goes down here, and we'll have to look on a periodic table to find it. Here's my periodic table. Here it is. And the atomic number is 25. So we'll put 25 down here. The mass number goes on the top, and that was given to us in the problem. It's 49. This is going to decay, so let's draw an arrow. It's going to decay by emitting a positron. Positron is sort of like a positive electron. It has a positive 1 charge and a negligible mass. Of course, it has some mass, but it's not very much. We're not going to count it. And it will produce a daughter nucleotide. So we'll get, on the bottom, we get 25 minus 1 for the charge of the positron. That gives us 24. So our new atomic number is 24. Our mass number will be unchanged. Our mass number is 49 minus 0, so it will be 49. So there's our new element. So let's look on the periodic table and see what has an atomic number of 24. And its chromium is right next to manganese. So we'll put a CR here. We can double check ourselves. 24 plus 1 is 25, and 49 plus 0 is 49.